Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today we are going to be making another project. Well, what are we going to be making? We're going to be making an intro project, get it? So we are going to be creating our own intro and we are going to be making it on Scratch. So let's go and get started. First, let's go and click the create button as usual whenever you're creating a new project. And delete the cat sprite, and I'm going to get a sprite from my backpack, which is me, and there I am. I actually, on my other computer, I actually put that in the backpack. So here's how it's gonna look like. Now we're gonna make another sprite. We're gonna make it black, and we're gonna be making it curly. We're gonna make SB-star. And then we're gonna make it bigger. Dip-a-dip-a-doo, dip-a-doo. I'll make a backdrop. Dip-a-dip-a-doo, dip-a-dip-a-doo. Dip-a-dip-a-doo, dip-a-doo. Okay, I'm gonna make it purple. There. Wait. There we go. That's much better. Okay. Now we're in our purple backdrop. It's kind of dark purple, so let's kind of change it a little bit lighter. Just like violet. Okay, and now as you can see, there is my thing. So as you can see, I'm gonna go to profile picture thing, and when create file clicked, what you're gonna do is gonna go to the forest. It's gonna go to the forest, like 300 negative 200. Yeah, that is. Whoa, it's like so down there. Like, okay, just make it there. It's gonna go there. And then glide 1 second to here. Glide 0.5 seconds. Glide 8 seconds, 2 seconds. And then it's gonna glide there. And then this thing, it's actually gonna twirl. It's gonna repeat 20 times. Turn 15 degrees. Point direction 90. Share 4 seconds. And it's gonna point in direction 90. So there we go. Gonna 25, 30. Well, it's 25, 23. Let's see. Okay, so in 30 doesn't work. I'm gonna repeat 29 times, try. Okay, let's see if that works. Do that. This 21 times. 22 times, perhaps. 5 times. Third, it has to be 24 times. There we go, that's much better. Okay, now for the sprite one. It's gonna go to here. Wait, 20 seconds. Come on, just go, go, go. There we go. Okay, it's gonna go there. Collide. That is how you make your own intro. For example, if you wanted to wait 2 seconds and then change color factor by 25. Repeat 10 times. 25. Try that. $15. That's good. Okay, we're going to set color effect to 0. I'm going to show it if somebody hides it. And there we go. We got our intro. If you want to watch, please watch. Entire project. If you want to see one more time, please see. I will show you. Like and favorite, just for fun. And you can see it. Here it is. It's gonna go like that. And that is how you make your own intro. I hope you enjoyed the simple scratch tutorial. And for the turning and change color effect, there was a little bit of bugs, so I had to fix that. So it might be too long for the video, YouTube, but I don't know if it would be too long or not too long. So I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.